This body meditation can help you relax your body after a long, tiring day. So find a comfortable position lying on the floor with your legs on the surface of your choice. It could be chair, it could be sofa. We want the hip and the knee to be at 90 degrees. Make sure there's no tension in your body holding this position. On your next inhale, breathe into your belly, chest, shoulders, and exhale, sigh it out. On your next inhale, breathe into your belly, chest, all the way up to the collarbone, and exhale, soften even more. On your next inhale, focus bringing the air to the side of your rib cage, and exhale, soften. Inhale deeply to expand the side of the rib cage, and exhale, sensing the rib cage hugging towards the spine. On your next inhale, focus on the bottom of your feet. As you exhale, relax your feet even more on the surface. On your next inhale, bring your awareness to the bottom of your legs, and as you exhale, melt your legs on the surface. On your next inhale, bring your awareness to the bottom of the hip resting on the ground, and as you exhale, soften your hip on the ground even more. We're gonna stay around the hip for a couple of breaths, so inhale deeply into your belly, chest, all the way up to the shoulders, and as you exhale, melt your hip even more on the ground. One more time, inhale, expand your rib cage in all directions, and as you exhale, use gravity to melt your hip even more on the floor. On your next inhale, bring your awareness to your lower back, and as you exhale, relax your lower back on the floor. Inhale, move up your attention to the shoulder blade area touching the ground. As you exhale, melt your shoulder blade on the ground. You are very well supported here. On your next inhale, bring your awareness to your shoulders. As you exhale, relax your shoulder even more on the ground. On your next inhale, bring your awareness to the back of your arms and hands resting on the floor. As you exhale, use gravity to relax them even more. On your next inhale, bring your awareness to the back of your head resting on the floor. And as you exhale, melt your head even more on the floor. You are very well supported, and there is nothing you need to work on to hold this position. On your next inhale, deep breath into your belly, chest, shoulder. Bring your awareness to your entire face. And as you exhale, relax your face even more, particularly around the eyebrow area and the jawline. Inhale, expand your lung in 360 degrees. As you exhale, melt your entire body on the floor. You are very well supported. And last big breath into the belly, chest, shoulder, exhale. Melt your entire body on the ground a little bit more. You can stay here for as long as you want. When you're ready, you can start wiggling your toes or fingertips, signaling the body that we are going to move. Move your legs off the chair onto the floor. Gently move yourself onto your side and push yourself up into sitting. And slowly open your eyes. Hope you feel more relaxed and grounded right now. For more personalized support for your lower back and hip, you can find the link to work with me in the description.